Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. First, unbox your new smartwatch and find the magnetic charging cable. Connect it to the back of the watch and plug the other end into a power source. It's crucial to fully charge the device, which typically takes about 2 hours, before you begin. Once charged, press and hold the side button for approximately 3 seconds to power it on and prepare for the next steps. Next, you'll need to pair your watch with your smartphone using the Zepp app. Download the Zepp app from your app store and either create a new account or log in. Open the app, go to Profile, and select Add Device. Choose Watch and then Watch with a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your Amazfit GTS 4 Mini. Confirm the pairing request on both devices to establish the connection. Now that your watch is paired, let's personalize it. You can easily change your watch face directly on the device or browse hundreds of options within the Zepp app. Head to the app's notification settings to enable alerts for calls, messages, and your favorite applications. Don't forget to adjust the screen brightness to your preference and explore the always-on display options for convenience. Finally, let's dive into the health and advanced features. Enable continuous heart rate and SpO2 monitoring within the Zepp app for 24-hour tracking. Set up sleep monitoring and stress level tracking to gain deeper insights into your well-being. Explore the over 120 sports modes available and customize your fitness goals. Remember to manage settings like background app refresh to maximize your impressive 15-day battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.